Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange nisan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Haka katsau terik mentau benai no pra arja kat pra. Katnat ke bapnya yaki kam election hakani ke jela. Kala pelong ya ke jing pesauto, halor ki artli ki kor, tap vote. Ki bapunan kam hakapor election, kata bakan Thup ya ke kor, electronic voting machine, bat ke voter verifiable paper audit trail. Nakabanta kinong isajaan ki bahapo ka kanhon jung ki lightly ki bar association. Ha shwa ban sedang ya kani ke jelang layo shwa ka jingkren ptiang sobha ya ki nawan shementa now additional chief electoral officer ka jela URP Marang balayo ikikentian lamprang now secretary jokatnat law ka jela uba W Club IS komjo no advocate general u Amit Kumar. Ha kani ke jelang la palap baru ya ka Thup Jingrwai balathaw halor ki kor EVM bat Vvpat bat ke Jingrwai nau Norwai ke Jingrwai hakani ke Thup usamla ban ker khat ngor nakaliang chief electoral officer ke jela uba Frederick Roy khat ngor ula palat Paidbah ka kot Lyngkdop balatho halor ki kor EVM bat Vvpat bat keren Lyngkdop ro halor kani ka kot hadin kini baro layo ke jingpatai benia ro halor kini ki artli ki kor Thup vote nau senior system engineer uba KG nongrom bat khaddo lapan iru ki flem Lyngkdop ki balathaw halor ka kompanya election.
But over the years, the usage of the EVM has more or less stabilized, and now it has become, in fact, part and parcel of the the whole election management. And so to say that even the various high courts and even the Supreme Court have endorsed the use of the EVMs. The Karnataka High Court, in fact, in its judgment, they have said that this invention is undoubtedly a great achievement in the electronic and the computer technology and a national pride. And because of the introduction of the EVM, in fact, the way that the Election Commission manages the entire election process in a very swift manner, it has brought many laurels to the Election Commission, and many countries, many foreign countries have also sent their teams for exposure. In fact, the Election Commission had sent me as an observer to Bhutan to witness in fact witness as an international observer their their elections, and even Bhutan was using these EVMs, and it was very interesting how in that mountainous backdrop, technologically challenged, how EVMs function without many major problems, and in fact they are one step ahead in the sense that even counting is done on the same day, even from very remote locations. So the EVM and the robustness of the EVM has been proven time and again. Coming to our state, Meghalaya, in fact, interestingly, when Vvpat was first rolled out, it was rolled out in 4 different corners of the country. From in the south it was Kanyakumari. In the north, it was somewhere in Kashmir, I think, or in Haryana, I'm not too sure. And the east, they chose Cherrapunji. So it was rolled out in Cherrapunji as one of the test cases for the Vvpat. And in the last 2018 elections, we used 100% Vvpat in all the 11 districts and 4 subdivisions of our state. And to share with you some statistics, there was a malfunction rate of only 0.72% in ballot unit, and there was a malfunction rate of only 0.75 in the control unit, and in Vvpat it was 2.23%. This is against a national average of about 5%, failure rate. So we were much less than the national average failure rate also.
EVM, Vvpat, EVM, Vvpat. Ka machine Thup vote, lapin dan kam laslam, jutip jukot kongka EVM. Kerteng kibaya kun, ladam lot angto, jadi ma pipi don jitu yano, jadi ma pipi don jitu yano. Kerteng jongka parti, kertong baman mapi, aram syuknyat beta isim prakti, aram syuknyat beta isim prakti. Cincin nang mikmat, panang penjanai, sakawai kakola syam tumai. Baka EVM, lapan dah lengkat, mesin bakot ka Vvpat. machine bakot ka Vvpat kane ka pen tikna o ka verify ka pen hun ka pen satisfy ka pen hun ka pen satisfy ka kor EVM ka kor Vvpat hasinda senda kidon ringkat ka kor EVM ka kor Vvpat hasinda senda kidon ringkat ya ka jing ka jong pi jong na kan pen tik na kan pen sha shin na ka kor Vvpat ka pen hun pen janai om dan bala ban thok ban siklai om dan bala ban thok ban siklai EVM Vvpat EVM Vvpat EVM Vvpat EVM